everybody, I'm Chiara with Off Leash Canine Training, and this is Enchilada. Enchilada is a 2.5-year-old Australian Shepherd. When Enchi first arrived, he was very skittish and jumpy. He was a little fearful of people and barked and growled at them, and especially at noises that were unfamiliar to him. He's a very smart breed, so he knew some commands, but he was way too distracted and his mind was so hyperactive that he couldn't pay attention to the commands I was giving him. He had no stability and couldn't hold a command for more than a few seconds. And on the walk, his eyes were always darting back and forth, jumping at loud sounds, barking and growling at new people, and basically was so nervous that he couldn't pay attention to his handler. His biggest obstacle to overcome while training was his pulling on the leash. He may look like a little dog, but he was strong enough to pull me down the street. That was Enchilada on day 1. Let's check him out 14 days later.
One mile over, we'll be there and we'll see you. 10 true summers, we'll be there and laughing too. 20, 45 miles over, we'll see. I'll be there with you. Silhouette will charge the view of distant atmosphere. Cold at morning, driving through the sound and even in the valley.
Are you kidding me? My wallet isn't. Sorry. I'm like ruining your day.